I'm gonna make a little quick time lapse. See that? Okay, now we have some new battery covers, since I need a lot of these for my models. Now I'm able to make a lot of these battery covers for myself, and if you need some, you know where to get them. Anyways, so what do you guys think about this? Really good. Nice. Okay, now let me show you my little baby. This is our new baby. It does have 2 months old. My son named Banana. Now here is the new baby. It's 2 months old, and I think it's female. But anyway, let's go back to the video. So since I have a lot of these models, broken models, missing the battery covers, now I'm making my battery covers. Ooh, look at that, perfect fit. And this one does fit the same for Gordon. Here is Gordon, same battery cover. Excellent. Now this one is a little different. This one is for Edward. Edward, it's a little bit different. See that? Fits right in there. So we have this battery cover for Gordon and James are the same, and this one right here is for Henry. There you go, look at that, nice. Now it's not perfect under this area. I mean, these little tabs always come not perfect, just one side, but there you have the idea. Look, it snaps in. Now the latest edition is for Hank. Here it is. I always get the since I don't have the battery covers, I always get the motors or for parts. I have like 3 or 4, I think, Hanks. I gotta find this battery. I mean the what do you call this thing? I mean the tenders. See right there, the perfect fit. Now I am not going to paint this little tail. I'm gonna call it tail. See right there, I don't need to paint it. Now it's, if you want to get these battery covers, you know where to get it. Community posts. It's really nice, actually. I hate when you don't have these battery covers, and most of these models look really bad. You can put some tape maybe and just to replace the battery cover, but it looks really bad, or a piece of cardboard. But now I'm making my own battery covers, so which is really good. Look at that, nice, excellent. Okay, just a quick update. It's just a quick update, guys. Okay, now we'll have it available. Thank you. Bye.